Hello everybody, welcome to the Here We Go channel. Today we are in Wickford in Essex. We're going to have a little explore around Wickford town centre. So here we go. Let's have a little look around the main town centre. I think it's quite a small place, Wickford. So we're just going to have a little wander and see what is here. Let's have a look what sort of shops we've got here. We've got a party shop. And this looks like it's a pet shop and also garden centre style shop, and a fish and chip shop. And it's Christmas time. It's the 22nd of December, just about 4 o'clock. And over here we have a prezzo. I think at the moment a lot of people are not really eating out sadly because of COVID. So a lot of people are just staying home in the run up to Christmas, trying to stay safe. We have a cookies shop here, which looks nice. Let's have a little look at these cookies in the window. We've got some big selection of cookies there. So here we go, let's have another look around the high street of Wickford. So Wickford is about 40 minutes from central London on the train, so it's become a commuter town, so you can get into the city of London within 40 minutes. It's quite an easy train journey. So Wickford, I think, originally has been here since thousands of years, but in the last 50 years it's become much busier. People living here, commuting into London. A nice row of shops here. I quite like the shape of this building with the curved arches at the top. And what have we got down here? A very large W.H. Smith's, selling books and newspapers, stationery. What is this soldier here? Standing very proudly. Looks like it's part of this. Oh, it's for the barber's shop. It's good, isn't it? Crazy Jacks of Wickford. So we'll walk a little bit further down the high street here and see what's here. It's a pretty cold evening or afternoon. It gets dark so early now. Let's have a little look through here, and there seems to be a sort of a shopping centre. People getting some last minute Christmas bargains. 70% off in this shop over here. Interesting little square that they put here with a Christmas tree and a memorial, by the look of it, for the war. Seems like it's a very quiet area to shop here. And here we have the Library of Wickford. Once again, not that many people in there. In the run up to Christmas, everybody's, well, not everyone, but a lot of people are just staying safe at home. So we'll carry on just having a little look further. Seems like this nail shop is very busy with people getting their nails done. Coming back onto the main high street now. Looks like we have the train tracks here. That must be the train that probably goes into London. It's up there. Oh, it looks like we're coming to sort of end of the high street. Most of the main shops I think are behind us now, but there's an Aldi here, a Wickford cafe and restaurant. Seems like there's a lot of parking in this area for cars. The Wickford cafe and restaurant looks very quiet. No one really in there by the look of it. This row of shops here looks a little bit older than some of the other ones we saw earlier. So it gets very dark very quickly at this time of year in the UK. I think yesterday was the shortest day of the year with the least sunlight, and today obviously is a pretty dark day as well. So I think we won't go much further today, we'll just see a little bit more of the end of the high street, which I think is just down here. So this is just giving you a little bit of an idea as to what it's like in Wickford in Essex, which is about 40 minutes from London, on the east side of London. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this brief tour of Wickford in the late afternoon in December, just before Christmas, and hope to see you all again soon on the Here We Go channel. Take care everybody, see you soon. Thank you.